Hey, so if you've got no energy in your 40s, which a lot of people don't, I know people, so there must be a lot more out there. Oh, I don't want to exercise, I've got no energy, work's hard, family, I've got kids, whatever. Okay, whatever. So, do you think you're going to have more energy in your 50s or your 60s? Nah. So, the answer here is start doing something in your 40s, and your older self, your 50-year-old, your 60-year-old, your 70-year-old will thank you for starting in your 40s. Lift weights, go jog, go swim, just move, man. Do Asian squats, throw potato sacks or rice sacks around the backyard, walk around the backyard with fucking buckets of whatever, I don't know. Just do something, man. Just keep moving, man. You just gotta move, man. Don't listen to the script, bro. Don't slow down. Oh, I'm getting old, you gotta slow down. Start resorting to pills and shit. Oh, fuck that. Start moving.